Hello everyone, welcome to this channel CSIR Net Life Science. Welcome to everyone, and please share this channel, subscribe this channel to get all notifications. So in this video there is syllabus of environmental science for ICAR. So first unit is definition and scope of environmental science for students, and so the definition and scope of the environmental science and its interrelationship with other science and agriculture, origin and evolution of the earth and its environment, atmospheric, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, biogeochemical cycle. I will in description I will attach the link of a video for biogeochemical cycles, in which include also iron cycle. I think it is very rare. आपने कभी किसी बुक में देखा होगा आयरन साइकिल भी उस वीडियो में इंक्लूड है. तो नेक्स्ट इज हाँ ओके biogeochemical cycle component of the iron environment, biotic, abiotic and social, weather and climate, history and evolution of man settlement, effect of the various development activities on environment. Next is unit number 2, basic ecological concept, habit ecology, system ecology, syn ecology, auto ecology, ecosystem concept, structure function of biotic and abiotic component, energy in ecosystem and environment, energy enhance the productivity of food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, nutrition cycle and recycling pathway, population characteristics and measurement, and communities, habitat niche, population dynamic, species and individual of the ecosystem, recent trend in ecology, type, types and characteristics, feature, structure and functions of the forest, grassland, plantation, desert, aquatic and the agro ecosystem, ecological succession, type and cause. Third in is the stand for biodiversity concept. So the biodiversity concept, level, type, changes in tune, space, evolution, evolution, centers of origin of crop, species concept, significations of biodiversity, plant genetic resources, exploration and collection, crop domestication, plant introduction, migration and utilization, ICUN clauses and concept of threatened and endangered species, biogeography, principle of conservation and biological diversity in situ, ex situ, causes of loss of biodiversity, introduction of exoids, invasion plant, method of conservation, role of national park, wild sanctuaries, biosphere, national and global conservation measures, institution and conventions, Indian Biodiversity Act 2002, biodiversity and economic with the special reference in India, biodiversity in relation to global environmental change, biodiversity hotspot in India, and world biodiversity and life sanctuaries. Next is unit number 4, composition of air, air pollution, sources and classification of major air pollutants, smoke, photochemical smoke and SPM, method of air pollution monitoring, effect of air pollutants on crop, vegetation, animal and human health, mitigation measures, combating air pollution, factor affecting plant resource, response to the air pollution, acid rain, physiological and the biochemical effect of sulfur dioxide, HF, PN and O3 on vegetation, toxicity symptoms on vegetation, defense mechanism against air pollution in plant, sensitive and tolerance plant species to the air pollution, national and international laws and policies on air pollution, permission permis- permissible limits of air pollutants and residential, commercial, industrial areas, noise pollution concept and effect. Unit number 5 includes soil and water pollution, resources type, pollutants, effect, and so on, and radioactive pollutant in their lifetime. Pollutants, disposal point and non-point source of the water, major types of the water pollutants and their impact on environmental and agro ecosystem, pollution in freshwater bodies, ponds, lakes, rivers, well, effect of the soil and water pollutants on the crop, plant, animal, microorganisms and the human health. International law, maximum permissible limit of the soil, water pollutants and the biomagnification and its impact on loss of biodiversity, physical, chemical, and biological properties of the waste, effluent treatment process for major industries, distilleries, paper, pulp, sugar, sewage, and the other agro-industrial waste, resources, product recovery, recycling, and value addition of the waste, biodegradation, and the bioconvention of the organic waste composition, landfills, vermicomposting, biogas, animal feed, mushroom cultivation, and so on, and use of the sludge flashes, effluents, and the other agro industrial waste in the agriculture, microbial, chemical, and the phytoremediation process, micrological, microbiological, and the public health aspects of the waste disposal, heavy metal contamination of environment resources and sink of the heavy metal. Unit number 6 is climate change, so in which included the water resources, sea level rises, livestock, and you can read this unit in detail. So this is, and unit number 7 for the energy consumption pattern, renewable sources, biogases, about the characteristics of the biogases, liquid fluids, and so on. Next is unit number 7, natural resources in India, land, soil, water, forest, and their conservation. Management include the wildlife, effect of the deforestation on the soil erosion, sorry, land degradation, environment and the rural economy, wastewater, wasteland and their extension characteristics and reclamation, soil and water conservation, rainwater harvesting, watershed management, and disaster management, flood, drought, earthquake, tsunami, cyclones, and so on. So in this syllabus, yes, there is unit number 9 also, in which the some of bioinformatics include, which is frequency distribution, statics, biostatics actually it is. So mean, mode, and a standard deviation, normal, binomial, position distribution, correlation, partial and multiple, chi-square test, f-test, and basic principle of completely randomized block, Latin square and split plot designs. So this is a syllabus for environmental studies. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this channel and to your groups, and subscribe this channel to get all notifications from this channel. Thank you.